Hi, I'm Andy Halen, Technical Manager for Soft Magnetics at MagDev Limited. Today I'm going to talk to you about EMC and how MagDev can support you in this area. There are two main areas to consider: the prevention of excessive spurious signals from electrical and electronic equipment, and the protection of sensitive equipment from these spurious signals. It is therefore important to know which equipment are susceptible to these unwanted spurious signals, i.e. RFI and EMI, and how we can provide these equipment with immunity. There are three ways in which these unwanted signals can propagate from their sources. By conduction. This is a direct connection either via cables, PCB tracks, or metal parts. By induction. This occurs over distances less than a wavelength long, and there are two main types: magnetic coupling and capacitive coupling. Finally, we have radiation. This occurs over long distances where both source and victim act like antennas. The source transmits the spurious signal, the victim receives that signal. At MagDev, we offer three main grades of soft ferrite material for reducing EMI and RFI. At frequencies far removed from their normal use, soft ferrite material provide high impedance, which reduces the unwanted signal. Choice of material depends on the frequency of the unwanted signal. The three grades we offer are F9C for frequencies up to 10 MHz, F19 for frequencies between 20 MHz and 200 MHz, and F14 for frequencies above 200 MHz. At MagDev, we can supply beads, tubes, and toroidal cores to fit around cables to suppress the interference signal. We can also supply special shapes and wound components such as common mode chokes and differential mode chokes, as well as snap-ons from industry-leading manufacturers. To discuss your specific requirements, please contact us for more information.